Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Murphy beds that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Bestar Per Queen Murphy Bed and 2 shelving units. This unassuming, stylish cabinet transforms into a queen-sized bed with an easy tug. Experts like Barbara E. Tanaka, strategic home design and organizing advisor at Real Estate Bees, recommend the Bestar brand, and this model in particular, for its reliable performance in real-world settings. Tanaka recommends this model because of its modern design and built-in efficiency, saying it's, quote, great for home office/guest room combos. This spacious model is more than just a guest bed. It features 6 closed drawers, 4 fixed shelves, and 6 adjustable shelves for ample storage you can use whether the bed is in use or stowed. The bed itself is made of a durable steel frame and flexible slats that are designed to absorb pressure and curve with the body. It can house a standard queen-size mattress and can hold up to 1,000 pounds of weight. Keep in mind that this is a substantial piece of furniture, so the brand requires mounting it to both the floor and the wall for maximum stability. Also, at least 2 people are recommended for assembly. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Pemberley Row Wall Bed. For a more simplistic option, this Murphy bed functions solely as a housing piece for the bed. There's no storage included, so it's best for anyone looking for a queen-sized Murphy bed that's easy to fit in an office or home gym without monopolizing too much space. The cabinet is made from durable wood that's available in 3 different colors, and the bed features a Euro slat system, flexible, arched slats, that's designed to enhance comfort and support. There's also a dual piston system that makes pulling the bed open and closed a breeze. There's no mattress included, but this bed can accommodate any queen mattress between 8 and 12 inches thick. It's also sturdy enough to hold up to 1,000 pounds, which is a plus for most guests and mattresses alike. At number 3, we have the Bestar Murphy Bed with sofa and shelving units. The Bestar Murphy Bed with sofa is a single piece of furniture that combines lounging, storage, and sleeping. When the bed is stowed away, this piece looks like a couch placed against a large cabinet that has 10 adjustable shelves for convenient storage. The sofa is made with heavy-duty materials, including a hardwood frame, sinuous springs, and a cotton filling. The cabinets are made from recycled engineered wood, and the bed has a stable steel frame. Opening the cabinet to set up the bed is easy, thanks to sturdy metal handles and a dual piston system that makes for a quick and smooth transition. There's also a separate hook included to easily reach the handles when it's time to open the bed. This mammoth piece of furniture weighs over 750 pounds, however, so the assembly should not be done by a single person or beginners. The brand recommends setting this up with at least 2 people, including a professional or otherwise qualified person. At number 2, we have the Extra Room Avalon Murphy Bed. Converting your home office into a guest room, when needed, is common and pretty efficient, especially if your guests come to visit during weekends or holidays when the workspace isn't needed. Consider investing in a Murphy bed with a built-in desk like this one to open up more space by minimizing bulky furniture. Although this piece appears to have 3 cabinets above the desk space, these are just design elements used to pull down the queen-sized bed. When the bed is opened, the desk stays in place, which means you don't have to remove any objects from it before setting it up. This Murphy bed is made from both solid and manufactured wood, along with a metal bed frame. It's sturdy enough to hold up to 700 pounds, and its 4 hydraulic piston mechanisms help make opening and closing painless. Keep in mind, though, that the built-in desk has a depth of just 16 inches, which means it may not be big enough to house more than 1 monitor or other tech equipment. And finally, at number 1, we have the ECACAD Multifunctional Murphy Cabinet Bed. The ECACAD Multifunctional Murphy Cabinet Bed. At less than $600, this pick is outfitted with a myriad of clever features. We love that it has integrated outlets and USB ports, allowing you to charge devices or plug in bedside lamps with ease. This pick also has a stylish farmhouse design that helps it blend into the background of any room when it's folded away, as it has the appearance of a hutch. In fact, there are 2 bottom drawers for extra storage, whether you need to stow clothes or extra sheet sets. This Murphy bed is not as sturdy as most of the options on this list. It has the lowest weight limit of all of our top options, at just 400 pounds. This may be a concern for people with heavier bodies. Because of durability concerns, we don't recommend this pick for nightly use. However, we can see it being a great option for occasional use, such as for overnight guests. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.